Every night I look up at the stars so bright, wishing I could hold you again just for one night. Your laughter echoes softly in the winds that blow. I feel your love surrounding me, helping me grow.